Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. Today we are going to make an Indian traditional ice cream. It's Gulfi. Before we move on to the dish, please subscribe my channel by clicking this button and hit bell button to know more updates from Yashwant's Kitchen. Now let's start the preparation of Gulfi. To make Gulfi, we have milk, condensed milk, soaked and peeled almonds, cardamom powder, sliced pista, saffron. Boil the milk till it reduces into oil. Now let's add almonds. Give 2 shots and then add the milk. Now the mixture is ready. Wait till the milk reduces. Let's add the ground almonds. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add saffron into the milk. Let's add condensed milk and cook it for some time. Keep stirring it continuously till it thickens. Let's add pista. Switch off the gas and add cardamom powder. Now it's time to add my secret ingredient, a pinch of salt. The thick mixture is ready. I am going to portion it. Cool the mixture completely before freezing it. Freeze it overnight and serve chill. The Gulfi is ready. I am going to taste it. Wow, it's really yummy. I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my Gulfi. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.